Alright, so like this is what's happening. I just bought some dual. Oh shit. Retake.
No, you can do it. No, you good. You good. You good.
So this is what's gonna happen. I got dual 15s back there with the kicker amp. It's about 750 watts.
Yeah.
Dual 15s. Dual 15s. Alright. What we're gonna do is we already been by this guy's house 3 times tonight. Alright? 3 times.
3 times.
And we set off his car alarm with my bass. Alright? Had the windows cracked just a little bit and had the bass just boom, you know? So like what we're gonna do is now that we're going up for the 4th time, and because I saw him circling the block and shit, so we're gonna go up there and we're gonna stop and like park right next to him.
That bitch wanna walk. Why she walking?
I'm gonna park like right next to him, and we're gonna let the beat go, and it's gonna be fucking. You're just gonna haul ass away from there. All right. Good.
Anyway, so yeah, we went through this man's house 3 times. We just set the alarm off 3 times, and I know he mad. He pissed off. He's like, "Damn it, Mary! Damn it! Fucking kids, they keep fucking with me. They're just fucking with me." So we're gonna do it one more time for the road. Okay.
Right,
so Ryan,
I'm gonna pause it right when the beat's about to hit and shit.
Hold on, turn on the beat so the listeners can hear this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, listeners.
Yeah.
All right.
What up? This
There's
is
no
Dr.
bass.
Dre.
No bass right now.
Party's going on.
This is Dr. Dre, Ring Ding Dong.
God, it's Friday.
All real niggas, y'all know what I'm talking about.
All right, this was the subwoofer's off.
The subwoofers are off. They 15, matter of fact.
Right now.
No, just a little bit so we
show them what it sound like with the beat.
Keep the heads ringing.
That's just a taste of what we're doing.
That's just a taste.
That's just a little bit.
Work your body down.
Turn off the lights.
All right, cutting off the lights.
Cutting off the lights.
Turn off the lights, baby.
Roll down the window. Better do this.
Let's do this shit. Real G, we real motherfucking
Nigga, you too
G.
black, I can't see you.
Fuck you.
Why are you rolling down my window? I can't.
Because
I don't give a damn. I can't see. Let it go. Fuck it.
Fuck you, Mary.
Fuck you, Mary. Just fuck you. If it's your fucking car, you'd be so mad.
Fuck you, Mary.
Fuck yeah. Damn, look. No lights. This is why we doing it. No lights. Thank you. Ooh, get some shit. Damn. You gotta look out the window. Oh, never mind.
Fourth time, bitch!
4th time beating up this fucking truck.
Yeah!
I feel like sitting outside just waiting.
For real. We some bad niggas. We the bad boys. Bad boys.
No power here. Wake the fuck up.
That's that beat for your
Oh yeah,
ass,
it's like what, 2 o'clock in the morning?
about 2? Yeah, 2
It's 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. Yeah. We should have went right down this street.
No, we just been like.
He probably
just leave and we just boop.
Straight showdown. Showdown. Yeah, we ready for you though.
Once that nigga just start driving down this way, we're like, oh.
I'll be like, oh.
I'd get right behind this car and just stop.
Go to the end of the street.
Yeah, go to the end of the street, see if we see him. You know, it's so creepy. Well, you can do this shit again.
We ain't doing this shit no more, man. Come back too.
He's like, God damn it, Mary. Fuck this. I ain't taking this shit no more. I don't go down like no punk bitch. Blah, blah, blah.
We're gonna start finding us, fool. You about to blow his house up. Y'all kids wanna play, huh? Play with this! Fat. Yeah. These motherfuckers dead on the ground.
You motherfucking dead on the ground.
Motherfuckers dead on the ground.
Back up in the land for the 199 to the nickel. So all you motherfuckers out there trying.
The fucked up thing is we got all these bushes and shit. We got perfect cover. Good job.
Yeah!
Double lock that bitch. Yeah.
H time to go down.
We gonna screw that.
Bring your music down to
So what's going down tomorrow?
We gonna bust up his fucking truck again.
And again.
Yeah.
Every time we're driving away.
Matter of fact, when I wake up this morning to go to school, I'm gonna beat up his truck again. Punk ass bitch.
And we don't even know him.
Don't even know that nigga, but he a punk bitch.
He pissing me off too many times with that truck.
Ooh, you got a Ford. Found on the road dead, bitch.
Wow, you got a F-250? Wow.